And you've worked at this intersection of oncology and AI for some time. What originally drew you to this space, and how has your thinking evolved as the tools have moved from proof of concept models towards real clinical development? What's changed about how you see this space?
Yeah, so I became interested in AI in oncology mainly because I was very interested in computer science prior to even going into medicine. And I did a lot of programming in high school and in college. And something about computer science is just exciting to be able to do things so much faster, more efficiently, more accurately than what we can do as humans. Just it's something that's always attracted me to the field of computer science. And so as I got into medicine and got into oncology, I was always looking for the potential to apply computational approaches to what I patients that I treat in medicine and patients that I treat as part of my practice as an oncologist. And so I've always looked for those potential intersections. I think each year we're seeing AI get closer and closer to a number of different clinical applications, and there are some that I think we don't think about, like some of the pathology and breast imaging applications. That as I'm a breast medical oncologist, and so I don't read the breast imaging. I can interpret it, but I don't provide the formal interpretation of breast imaging or myself review the pathology slide. So there are some of those applications in the background that are probably the earliest in application. But I think really since probably 2023, with the rise of these language models, I think the obviously AI is such a hot topic in every potential domain. And that's really, and these language models get essentially immediately into the hands of patients and providers because they are published publicly and they perform so accurately at so many different tasks, achieving performance better than PhD level scientists at relevant science questions. And so I think everyone's drawn to that application of them, and so they've clearly been used heavily across the clinical cancer care spectrum as well.